Buying a rental property is a step many people take to achieve their goal of financial independence. Whether you want to take advantage of cash flow now or use it to help fund a retirement plan, renting out a space might be what you're looking for. Many people choose to invest in real estate as well as paper assets like stocks and bonds to provide them with some diversification and/or tax advantages. Whatever you're looking to achieve, real estate can be a fantastic investment, but finding a property that will provide you with what you're looking for will require some legwork, but it could be what will determine if you'll earn a profit or not. Performing due diligence when evaluating your real estate investment can be easy if you know what to look for. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Determine your goals. In order to find a deal that will work for you, determining what your goals are is an essential component of real estate investing. All buyers have different expectations about returns. For example, some people would be content with just having their mortgage and maintenance expenses paid, while others look to have cash left over after paying all expenses. Some buyers purchase for just cash flow, while others are betting on a property appreciating in value. Deciding what your goals are will allow you to determine if your expectations are reasonable and if it's even possible in the geographic area in which you'll be looking. Already having your goals laid out will make the analysis of a potential property much clearer and easier. Arrange financing and save for the down payment. Saving up for the down payment on your rental property is usually the hardest part of the entire process. Since most lenders require 20% down on a rental, real estate is a very high barrier to entry investment, sometimes making it difficult for average people to get started. However, once you have the cash saved up for the down payment and any other expenses such as closing costs and maintenance that needs to be performed, you should arrange your financing if you plan on using a mortgage. Getting pre-approved by your bank will tell you the amount you're able to spend based on the information you provided the lender. Your lending institution will give you an estimate of the closing costs, and they can put together the necessary information, increasing the likelihood of your loan being approved. Find a good agent. A knowledgeable real estate agent is a valuable asset when searching for a property. You'll want someone who knows the area well and is aware of changing demographics, new development, and any other factors that will impact the future value of your investment. The agent should be aware of current market rental pricing and able to consider any work that needs to be done when determining the property's value. An equally important characteristic to look for when choosing an agent is responsiveness. If a property comes on the market that looks like it would fit your needs, it's important not to wait before going to see it, because a good deal will likely be seen by other investors as well. When it comes time to put in an offer, the agent will need to work quickly and efficiently to ensure the likelihood of your offer being accepted. Agent response time is also important after the property is under contract, because meeting deadlines such as inspections, financial approvals, and so on is critical. Research rental pricing. An accurate estimate of potential rental income will be beneficial when analyzing a deal and deciding if it's something that will work for you. Perhaps you'll receive a better return on your investment in a certain neighborhood or with a property with a certain number of bedrooms. You can find this information from a variety of sources, including property managers, real estate agents, and homes that are currently listed for rent. There's no way to find out exactly how much the property will bring in, but it's important to be as knowledgeable as possible about what you can expect to charge. Learn from other landlords. Like with any investment, research is crucial and closely tied with your future success. You want to be as knowledgeable as possible yourself because you don't want to rely on the opinion of others entirely. Remember to trust the individuals providing you with information, but verify that the facts are correct. Learning from other landlords and investors could be useful, and it might allow you to avoid making the same mistakes they've made. Many people would be glad to share their knowledge with others looking to start out. The Bigger Pockets Forum is full of valuable information, discussions, and other individuals interested in real estate. You might also find members that you'd like to work with, including lenders, agents, and contractors. Calculate expenses. This is where most investors make mistakes. They simply don't account for every expense associated with rental properties. When analyzing a deal, it's critical that you budget for each expense, including your loan payment if you plan on using a mortgage. Other expenses include property taxes, insurance, homeowners association fees if there are any, property management, maintenance such as paint, plumbing, rot repair, capital expenditures like the roof, windows, siding, and vacancy. When a tenant moves out, there will likely be maintenance that needs to be performed, and there will be a period where the property sits vacant. When one tenant moves out and another moves in, it will cost money in vacancy and repairs. Novice investors will frequently overlook many of these costs, resulting in a misleading financial analysis. Investing in a rental property can be a great way to build passive income, create tax advantages, and provide diversification when building long-term wealth. Following these simple evaluating procedures will ensure that you don't make a purchase that will provide you with a lifetime of headaches and a loss of money.